yourself now we are a team. We are a team because we've signed an historic MOU. I call it historic because normally it is considered that counterterrorism is military body's job, it is Ministry of Defense job. But here it is a partnership with academia to come out and find solutions for counterterrorism. And why do we need such partnership? This is a first unique event, but we need many more such unique events. Why do we need to have such collaborations, first of all? Because terrorism is not one body or one person's job. Countering terrorism is not it cannot work in silos that Ministry of Defense will work separately, Ministry of Home will work separately, or civil society will work separately. Normally when we say countering terrorism, it depends on 4 pillars: men, machine, movement, and mindsets. Men are, they may be in-house in national bodies like Maoist or internationally driven men. Then machines in the form of weapons or the technology-driven armory. And mindset is the biggest threat because which is coming through radicalization of minds and the money. Money is the blood of the body. If we compare countering terrorism to the body, we say blood, the money is the blood part of it, the governance is the immunity part of it. Because a weak governance means weak immunity of the body. And that is, and the hands and feet are your broadly movement and the action on the war front. So it's all body parts are required to counter terrorism. It's not a unique one-sided element that can work. And because we need, countering terrorism is an interdisciplinary job. And what different jobs can be doing? Normally the students here must be thinking, what do we have to do with the counter-terrorism? It's an army's job, it's soldier's job. No, all of us are required. All of us can contribute in a small way. It's not, we might be doing one wrong transaction which might be promoting travel of people inside our country. We might be doing one corrupt thing, the money might be going for the terrorism. If we are engaging in the drug behavior, the profits earned might be going to feed the terrorist money. If we are doing one passing of the internet or social media post wrongly, it might be feeding to the wrong minds. And if we are doing the religious studies, no religion can be bad, but the interpretation of that religion for their selfish motives feeds to radicalization. So all of these things are interrelated. We cannot curtail, and that is why this partnership is unique. And GCTC really wants to thank people in Amity for such a coming collaboration, and I would like to felicitate all the people. First of all, I'll call Air Marshal Ramesh Rai ji to felicitate Dr. V. Selvam-Murthy. I'm giving it to you.